The poetry of healing, the healing of poetry. Poetry has long been recognized for its therapeutic and healing qualities, both for the writer and the reader. The act of creating or engaging with poetry can be a powerful tool for processing emotions, finding meaning, and fostering personal growth. Poetry offers a unique language that can express complex emotions and experiences that may be difficult to articulate in everyday speech. It can provide solace during times of grief, trauma, or illness by offering words that resonate with one's inner experiences. For those struggling to find language for their pain, poetry can serve as a bridge, helping to connect thoughts, feelings, and memories. Many medical professionals, including Dr. Rafael Campo, have recognized the value of poetry in healthcare settings. Campo, a poet and physician, incorporates poetry into his medical practice and teaching, using it to foster empathy and understanding among healthcare providers. He believes that poetry can help doctors better connect with their patients and understand the human experience of illness. The healing power of poetry extends beyond individual experiences to community healing as well. Poems can offer comfort, inspiration, and a sense of shared humanity. Collections like Poems of Healing anthologize works that address illness, recovery, and spiritual healing, providing readers with a diverse array of voices and perspectives on the healing journey. Ultimately, the relationship between poetry and healing is reciprocal. As poetry aids in healing, the process of healing itself often inspires new poetry, creating a continuous cycle of expression, understanding, and growth. Poetry can be a powerful tool for processing traumatic experiences in several ways. 1. Expression of complex emotions. Poetry provides a unique language to articulate complex emotions and experiences that may be difficult to express in everyday speech. This can help individuals give voice to feelings that might otherwise remain bottled up. 2. Gentle approach to difficult topics. Poetry allows for the use of metaphor and imagery to address trauma indirectly, providing a gentler way to approach painful memories. This can make the process of confronting trauma less overwhelming. 3. Creation of meaning. Writing poetry about traumatic experiences can help individuals make sense of what happened and find meaning in their suffering. This meaning-making process is crucial for healing and growth after trauma. 4. Bilateral brain activation. The act of constructing a poem engages both emotional and cognitive processes, activating different parts of the brain. This integration can help in processing and reframing traumatic memories. 5. Safe exploration. Poetry offers a safe space to explore and process trauma at one's own pace. The use of persona or metaphor allows for some emotional distance while still addressing the core issues. 6. Coping mechanism. Writing poetry can serve as a coping strategy, providing an outlet for difficult emotions and a way to manage trauma-related symptoms. 7. Connection and validation. Sharing poetry about trauma can help individuals feel less alone in their experiences and can foster a sense of connection with others who have gone through similar ordeals. By offering a unique blend of emotional expression, cognitive processing, and creative exploration, poetry can be a valuable tool in the journey of healing from trauma.